Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Palmer, Ohio. Wanted to show you this 2017 Chevy Impala. Now this is the Premier trim package. Very nice options on this car. Tinted windows, got a sunroof in it, black leather interiors, 3.6 liter V6 engine in it. So let's do a quick walk around on the outside, then we'll hop on the inside and show you what's on the inside of this thing. But beautiful dark tinted windows on this. Does have a backup camera, and your backup camera is right up there. Here you can see the Premier emblem on this. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Okay, so here we have the trunk open. You can see it's got a lot of space back here. It's just incredible the amount of space that's in this trunk. But we now will continue our walk around. Show you the driver's side. Nice rims on this car. And get up here, I'll show you the sunroof. Of course, we'll see more of that once we actually get inside. So let's start taking a look inside. Okay, here we are. You can see the black leather interior. Now I do have the shade pulled right now on the sunroof. We'll open that once we hop up front. You got solid black door panels. Let's go ahead and look up front. One thing I wanted to note, you do have lane detection available on your mirrors. Then you also have turn signals that are built into both of those. Okay, so here we're looking in the front. Do a little quick view here. Large LCD display unit. Get over here, show you the door panel. Now this does have a 2-position memory for your driver's seat, so you can set it where you want it. Push the button, for example, number 1, that goes to you. So every time you get in, you push 1, it's going to go exactly to where you have your settings. You can see it does have a Bose stereo system, power seats. These are all options that comes with the Premier package. Okay, so here we are on the inside. I got the car running. You can see everything is displaying even on the LCD. Now it does have a push button start stop. So, and it does have heated and cooled seats. The controls are right here for both of your seats. A lot of nice options on this car. Let's get close, show you the instrument cluster. The mileage as of now is 85,017 miles. And we back off here. You've got controls here for your cruise control. It does have a heated steering wheel. Your button is right here to turn that on and off. Does have Bluetooth connectivity. Will connect to your smartphone so you can make hands-free calls. Volume up and down. We continue over here to the LCD display. I'm going to drop it down in reverse and you'll see the backup camera engage. Put it back up in park right now. So we'll come on down. It does have dual climate control. So you can set each side left and right independently. Temperature setting of each other. Beautiful area around your gear shift, 2 cup holders. But like I said, ladies and gentlemen, like right here, I'm going to put it on cooled seats. So now the passenger seat will cool down. And you can do the same thing. Oh, that's heat. Don't want that. It's warm out. So they're both, left is activated, right is activated. They basically 3 settings, low, medium, and high. Really cool. Now, go up here, you can see the shade is pulled on the sunroof. Your controls are right here. So I'm going to push the button. And you can see the shade opens up. And hit the other button to the left and it will actually open the sunroof itself. So really nice features on here. You can see the armrest in the back does fold down. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the tour of our 2017 Impala. If you have any questions about this, feel free to call us, touch base with us, come up for a test drive, take a look at this thing. I think you're going to like what you're going to see. We got a lot of nice options for financing. So it's got a nice 6-cylinder engine. So have a great day. Bye for now.